Here we are. Let the water flow. And bring in the jugs. Who's going to be the first guinea pig to try? One of you guys? You little guys? Go ahead.
Christopher, you put it in on the side.
Yeah, over here. Or you can just drink from the top.
And one of the papers that reported, I'm sure with great veracity, in the 1950s, that this is fed by an underground stream that comes all the way from Lake Winnipesaukee.
The idea for this particular project really was conceived in 2009 when John, Patrick, myself, working with staff and on the town hall project, recognized that something had to be done to the front of the building. And if you remember the old building, when you just stepped off the front steps, you wound up in the street. So we said we didn't want that to happen anymore. We extended and put that triangular area, and then after we did that, we said, well, something needs to be done with this area, which is in much needed repair.